Hi. I think the world would be a better place if America and China got along. And perhaps that begins with Americans and Chinese getting along better. That sounds easy because we probably all have Chinese friends and colleagues, but what I'm talking about are the cultural and value differences between us as Americans and them as those who were born and raised in mainland China. And what you will likely discover are great people, but with a completely different set of fundamental values and beliefs. My name is Gene Hsu. I'm a China business coach, trainer, and advisor, but more importantly, I'm an ABC. That's American-born Chinese. ABCs are known as bananas, white on the outside, but yellow on the inside. This means my values are more Western and democratic, but I also share some traditional Chinese values and beliefs too. And at the intersection between America and China, I'm concerned about the lack of cultural awareness on both sides. But I'm still optimistic about the future for my unborn son. Yes, my wife is currently pregnant with our first child. Generational ABC podcasts are my conversations with my unborn son, one ABC to another, in my attempt to explain our world in context in order for him to make better sense of his world, which will be nothing like the world we live in today. Welcome to Season 1, the first 12 conversations between me and my son, discussing the dichotomies between America and China, based on my personal experiences growing up in Atlanta, Georgia, to eventually living and working in Shanghai. Listen and subscribe on Apple Podcasts, SoundCloud, or YouTube.